Am I the only one who didn't know you could put apples in a French toast sandwich? Well, let's fix that. Alright friends, grab your aprons. We're about to make a Michigan French toast sandwich that's gonna knock your socks off. First things first, let's get those skillets heating up on medium-high. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl and whisk like you mean it. Add 1½ tablespoons of sugar and a splash of heavy cream. Set that aside. Next, sprinkle the remaining sugar into one skillet, let it caramelize, then toss in those chopped apples with a pat of butter. Drizzle some apple cognac and another splash of heavy cream over those apples. Bring it to a low boil and let it work its magic. Now dip those thick slices of bread into the egg mixture, just a quick dip, no soaking. Add olive oil and butter to your second skillet, then place the bread in to brown. Flip each slice once until they're golden. When your apples are jammy and candied, it's assembly time. Spread thimbleberry jam on a slice of bread, add those caramel apples and layer up. Top with a dollop of crème fraîche, a bit more jam, and any leftover apples around the plate. There you have it. A breakfast that's part toast, part sandwich, all delicious. Enjoy, and don't forget to share your tasty creation.